Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. A world without passwords is getting closer by the day, as more of the big names in password management launch their support for something new: passkeys. Right now, using a password manager is one of the safest ways to access your online accounts. But passkeys are even better. They're unique to you and your device. When you're logging into something on your laptop, you use your phone to prove it's you. No password required. Microsoft, Apple, and Google have all been rolling out passkeys. Recent take-up among password managers means this will become standard across more sites more quickly. We're in favor of any move towards stronger security. And let's be honest, no one's going to miss passwords when they're gone. If you need any advice to keep your business safe in 2023, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.